So right now I have two battery packs from Engwe. This one was the first one, original with what come with bike, and the second one it's new one. So let's see. Let's turn it on. Check. Nothing. Let's turn it off. It's off right now. Still nothing. Okay, let's leave it. Turn it on. And the second one. Right now it's turned on. Still nothing. Same problem. Same thing. Then let's do the battery test or battery reset. What the Engwe want from me to do. Just like that. And right now, the old one it's working. But if I take it out, it's not working again. Same thing with the new one. So the replace battery from Engwe. One, two. Same configuration like before. Sorry, this one it was the replace battery from Engwe. This one is old one. I see in the housing that have some scratches. That because that I know this is the old one. And right now it's working. Magic. So let's take it again out. It's not working. I'm doing this video only for Engwe because they want from me one video that the new one also it's not working. I was waiting for the replace battery 3.5 months, almost 4 months. It's silly. It's really silly. I wait 4 months for replace battery and they send me the same battery with same problem which can't be used with my bike because it's not giving the power to my e-bike. Anyway, the my bike it's the Engwe le20. So I will do also the video from here. Again, this one is the new one, replace battery from Engwe. This one is the old one. Then let's see what Engwe will do with my problem because they didn't fix my problem from the last four months. It can be like that. It's not a warianty. In warianty it should be done after a few weeks, maybe 1 month or maximal 2 months, not 4 months like that, and I still can't use my bike. So just think about that for what are you paying, because the bike for 1,500 euro can't be used anymore. Of course, the problem was after 2 months of using my bike, so I just use my 1.5 thousand euro bike only for 2 months, and after that is just waiting for repair.